So two small towns, the two smallest towns closest to us, are having village-wide garage sales. We're gonna hit them both today.
Back right bit it rocks.
Right? That's the plan?
Yeah, we could visit everybody in town and still be home by lunch.
That's what we need for garage sailing with our dogs. Trailer with the cage on the back.
This is what I need for garage sales.
Morning. Good morning. Oh, that makes sense. World Rummy.
You have your cash, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
So come asking for me. I have $1.
It is.
Yeah, so far.
It's nice and quiet.
Did you bring money?
I have $1 to my name. You're not taking mine.
I have my money. I'm not like you and your mother.
Oh,
Don't cry, because he'll be back.
Yeah, that's right.
always do come back.
They come back.
Yeah.
And don't cry.
He's our youngest, so yeah, we've been through that.
Oh, yeah.
Toys.
Wait like 2 weeks.
Oh,
Last
yeah.
time the surprise was
They're medium.
They're extra medium.
Extra medium.
3 cents fill that. 3 cents. He's down there at least 20 feet off that pipe. I could see him getting up and down. So that's a much stronger run than the one that was there. Yeah. So it should.
I haven't been recording. Once again, I thought I was recording and I was not. So, yeah, that was a good auction. Or a good garage sale. I'm all flustered. Oh, oh beautiful. Ooh.
What's his name?
Cane.
Kane. He's just good. Where's your name? Oh, you said,
these?
yeah.
Hmm?
Did you see these?
Yeah.
Your mom would be interested in
I don't know.
He's there, he's being quiet.
Sorry about that. He gets overlooked quite often, yeah.
Hmm.
What's this guy's name? Archie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's a quarter, Marcy.
Yeah, quarter, anything on that deal is quarter.
I don't know.
I have a dog in the car right now that's looking at us.
Oh, a dog?
Yeah. We pulled up and he must have smelled your dog. So all of a sudden he was like in the window.
Okay.
Boy.
Oh, nice. That's a Coleman too, I think.
It is. Can I smell? Are you interested?
Yeah,
Oh, all of them?
absolutely.
Okay.
All the rubbery ones. You need a card. Did my part.
Okay.
Okay, all those coolers, let's see, there was what?
Quarter.
So, yeah. $1.75, $2.
Did you stop it?
No, I didn't touch it.
Chewy.
I didn't even pet anybody, Joe's.
I did. Want to smell? Not the reaction I was looking for. Think you can bench that?
I don't know, maybe.
Work up to it. If you don't take it, I'm gonna.
I don't have $5. So
Oh, well, I'm taking it then.
yeah, you're gonna have to.
Will you pick it up for me? Oh, that's cool too. Oh my god.
Especially with cleaners.
Huh?
Especially with cleaners.
Hulk smash. Here, buy me Hulk.
But I don't have money.
Just put it with. Here, hang on to it. Does my heart good to see parents teaching their kids how to make change and even count it back.
You know what I was impressed with? That's, yeah, 2 times now that that's happened.
2 times.
You know what I was very impressed with?
No.
The little boy that I just bought his books from.
Yeah.
Do you need help carrying that to the car?
Oh, I didn't even hear that.
That's why I'm like,
Good kids.
oh, you have a lemonade stand. We'll take 2 lemonades, thank you. Customer service, it's everything. Helps if you're cute too.
It's true. And I am darn cute. That's kind of cute. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Get out of that sun for a little bit.
No kidding.
It's hot. And then this gun. These balls. Go together. These hurt though when you get hit by them.
Really?
Yeah, my kids decided that they don't. And they're teenagers.
Did they shoot each other?
Yes, they did. And then I told them to take, because they started in the house. And I said, take it outside. And then I'm all over the yard. That's all you could see.
Oh, yeah.
So we had to pick them up because they don't disintegrate.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, Abe Lincoln. That's neat. Oh. It's hot. Oh.
Let me look around a little bit first. I might find something else. Okay.
Nope, I think the gentleman's sitting right in here.
Hi, how you doing?
yeah. Oh, there's another one of these over there. It's probably the make to it. It's probably salt and pepper.
Oh, really?
I think I saw it. I have a couple Wisconsin bottles.
Hello, excuse me.
I'll get out of your way. Man, somebody chewed an awful lot of tobacco, or are those fooling you?
We're going home in just a minute. One more garage sale and then we'll take you home, okay? Can you be good? Can you be good? Poor baby. Be right back. Working Barbie dog.
You see the Legos?
Oh, neat. Are those the Just Friends ones?
Oh yeah, I think it's just fun stuff, but $10.
Some more here.
Wouldn't be a bad idea.
Oh, geez, VHS.
That's all free.
It is?
On that table, it's all free. If you want to fill up a bag, I can give you a bag.
Nice. We had to come home because the doggies were getting too hot in the car and restless. And because we're full. So far we've been to one full village-wide garage sale.
How you doing?
Well, I was hoping to record, but I don't know how much battery I got.
Are you bad-mouthing me?
Yes. 2 of those, right?
Yes, $5 for the 2 of them. How could you say no?
I wouldn't be able to. Even though I'd want to because it's big and takes up space, but man, those are neat.
Very sexy.
They are. Mid-century stuff for cheap. Box O figures. You may see these again. Charlie found himself a keyboard for $2? $3.
3 I paid for $1.
He's gonna make installment payments to me.
Wow.
Did you ask him if it worked?
Yeah, and he said it does.
Yamaha keyboard. It's actually nice quality. If we can only find a home for it. You couldn't find a smaller keyboard?
No. Go big or go home.
Go big or go home, says the man. Marcy found some cool glassware. Looney Tunes ones are always a hit. Oh, I like these. Oh, those are cool. I don't know what she paid for those, but those are cool. Boom, boom, mofo. Got some lighters. Cool PlayStation cap. Got a bunch of these skull lighters. They're not Zippos or anything, but they're still pretty neat. You may remember the wicker light that Marcy bought. They sell kits to fix them, and found one for $1. Marcy paid $12 for this. It's all these toys in this case with a backpack, and it came with all these books. Disney, I don't know, Safari or something. Marcy found these brand new sealed puzzles, 2 Scooby-Doo and 1 Looney Tunes. And I think she said they're vintage from the 90s or something. Bunch of Coleman koozies I paid 25 cents a piece for. This is 25 cents too. We flip these quite a bit, these owls. But the koozies, they sell pretty well, sometimes up to 10 bucks a piece. What's the party light thing?
It's a tea light, and it's brand new. It's never been used. It's for Christmas. So I'm gonna, it was $1. I'm gonna look it up and see if it's worth, I figure if it's worth 20 or more, then I'm gonna sell it. If it's not, then I'm gonna keep it.
Oh. I paid $1 for this Pokemon Shield Switch game. And at the same sale, I paid 50 cents. I'm pretty sure. You can see it in the video. You can see the footage of me looking at it, I think, in the video, as long as I actually recorded. Bunch of DS games in here. Lego ones, M&M game, Zoo Tycoon, there's Harry Potter Lego. Lots of Harry Potter. Pokemon game in there. 50 cents for all these. I think this was a case of parents selling the kids stuff and not realizing what it was worth. Found this game, World Rummy. Never heard of it. $2, but I thought it might be a good flip. A little Land's End purse Marcy found for cheap. More VHS. This thing is... I thought it was a light fixture at first. That's not chipped. That's just the design. But that is screams mid-century. Just some kind of a vase or something. Love it. And Marcy found these little hummingbird tooth cleaners for $1 for this whole bag, and we think these are discontinued. And sometimes discontinued items like this go good. Bag of CDs there from the library book sale. Marcy found this Barbie thing in excellent condition. It's from the 80s. I think she said 83. And I think she paid $1 or $2 for it. And I gotta start carrying stuff in or I'm gonna get in trouble. What'd you pay for the Barbie thing? $1?
3.
Oh, 3.
Yeah. It's in good it's really in good condition though for how old it is.
Do you remember what you paid for this?
$1.
$1. And how much were the puzzles? Were they $2 a piece?
$2 a piece.
They're sealed and they're vintage, right? You said?
Yep.
Those are so cool. He's drinking your lemonade.
Oh, yuck.
Let's do this. Duh. Duh. Where are we going next? You're the biggest sucker I know.
Clearly, I married you.
Ouch.